Howdy all. This episode I'm going to be doing the cleaning and prepping and painting of the engine. It's got a lot of grease and grime on it. So basically what I'm going to do is go over it, blow all the dirt off, spray it with degreaser, wipe as much crap out of there as I can, and it has been painted before, so I've got a Dremel with tiny wide brushes to get into the fins and stuff. I've got some paint stripper too, might help speed up the process. Pretty much just going to hit it with both of those. I've got some Scotch-Brite sandpaper and kind of see what's working best for stripping the paint. And then yeah, hopefully I can get some primer on it today. That'll be really good, so here we go. Alright, so I had a bit of trouble getting some of the paint out. It's quite thick, especially there's a lot of fins on this engine, so I saw one of these gravity fed sandblaster, but I've got a soda in it, bicarbonate soda. Apparently it seeps easier on, well, it doesn't spray so abrasive, so I'm going to give that a crack, see how it goes, and hopefully it works.